Picture windows are a beautiful feature in many Redmond homes, offering expansive views and abundant natural light. Because they are fixed and don't open, homeowners often assume picture windows require little attention. While they are low maintenance compared to operable windows, regular seasonal care is still essential to protect their performance and extend their lifespan, especially in Redmond's damp, ever-changing climate. With a few simple maintenance habits throughout the year, homeowners can keep picture windows looking great and performing reliably for decades. Spring. Inspect for moisture and seal integrity. Spring in Redmond often brings lingering moisture and fluctuating temperatures. This is an ideal time to inspect picture windows for any signs of water intrusion. Check the seals around the window frame for cracks, gaps, or deterioration. Moisture can slowly work its way into small openings, so addressing seal issues early helps prevent long-term damage. Wipe down the frame and glass to remove pollen, dirt, and residue left behind by winter weather. Spring is also a good time to look for condensation between glass panes, which may indicate a compromised seal. Catching this early allows homeowners to plan repairs before problems worsen. Summer. Clean and protect the glass. During Redmond's brighter summer months, picture windows get maximum sun exposure. While modern glass is designed to handle sunlight, regular cleaning helps maintain clarity and efficiency. Use a gentle, non-abrasive cleaner to remove dust, salt residue from coastal air movement, and grime. Clean glass allows natural light to pass through more effectively and prevents buildup that can degrade coatings over time. Summer is also a good season to inspect exterior caulking. Heat can cause older sealants to crack or shrink, so resealing when necessary helps maintain energy efficiency and moisture resistance. Fall. Prepare for rainy conditions. Fall maintenance is especially important in Redmond, as rainfall increases and temperatures begin to drop. Before the rainy season fully sets in, inspect the exterior perimeter of picture windows. Ensure that flashing and trim are intact and securely in place. Clear any debris from nearby gutters or window ledges that could allow water to pool near the window. Even though picture windows don't open, surrounding buildup can still affect the frame and seals. Checking drainage paths around windows helps ensure rainwater is directed away from the home rather than toward the window structure. Winter. Monitor condensation and interior conditions. Winter in Redmond brings cooler temperatures and higher indoor humidity from heating systems. Picture windows can sometimes show condensation on the interior surface during colder months. Occasional condensation is normal, but excessive moisture should be addressed. Using proper ventilation, exhaust fans, or a dehumidifier helps control indoor humidity levels and protects window seals. Avoid placing furniture or heavy window coverings directly against picture windows, as restricted airflow can increase condensation and trap moisture. Year-round tip. Protect the frame material. Different frame materials, vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum, benefit from routine care. Wipe frames clean several times a year to prevent dirt and moisture buildup. For Redmond homeowners, keeping frames clean helps prevent corrosion, discoloration, or long-term wear caused by constant moisture exposure. Avoid harsh cleaning products. Picture windows often feature specialized glass coatings that improve energy efficiency. Harsh or abrasive cleaners can damage these coatings. Stick to mild cleaners and soft cloths to preserve the glass surface and maintain performance. Schedule periodic professional inspections. Even with diligent homeowner care, professional inspections add long-term value. A window professional can identify subtle issues that aren't always visible, such as early seal wear or framing concerns. For Redmond homes, periodic inspections ensure picture windows remain weather-tight and efficient year after year. Small effort, long-term benefits. Picture windows are designed to last, but Redmond's wet climate makes seasonal maintenance essential. By cleaning regularly, monitoring seals, managing moisture, and preparing for seasonal weather changes, homeowners can significantly extend the life of their picture windows. These simple steps protect your investment, preserve comfort, and keep your home bright and beautiful through every season.